I'm getting this, Chris. I'm taping this. Oh, no, she's peeing. Tana! Tana, don't pee there. Yeah.
Tana! I'm gonna get a shovel for it. Tana! Here, I'll get a shovel for it, Carson.
Tana's smelling it! Ew! I see it, Carson.
Hello?
Ow!
Tana! Tana! Oh, come here. Tana! Chris, she's gone.
Where'd she go? Tana! Come on. Get over there.
Or you have to go inside.
Tana, come on. Over here, you're going inside.
Tana, get the sled, Tana. Get the sled.
That's deep.
It is.
I still see a little yellow spot there. Right here.
Wait.
Tana. Here, Tana. Go get it, Tana.
Look at Tana. 2 peas. Oh, here's our fork.
Get it, Tana. Get it. Get it, Tana. Get it.
Don't eat the yellow snow, right? Don't go over there.
I'll go right here.
Don't go near the yellow snow.
Tana! Tana, can you hit the mountain?
Don't go near the yellow snow, big guy.
That was a good one.
Can I try?
Look at Spencer.
Look out! Tana!
Ready, Tana?